Welcome. You're watching ARH's How-To video series. Distortion of the number plate. The camera, which acts as the image source for OCR, can be installed in many ways. Many installation positions exist that can help in providing optimal images with minimal distortion. However, there are many cases where the camera cannot be installed in these positions, causing the license plate to become distorted on the image. That is why the OCR engine was built to tolerate a 30-degree angle. However, if the pan or tilt angles of the camera exceed 30 degrees, distortion may significantly reduce recognition and performance rates. The plate on these images, for example, is too distorted. Therefore, Carmen accuracy might be lower than usual. These plates, however, are only minimally distorted, so Carmen would most likely easily recognize them. Thanks for watching. For staying updated, make sure to subscribe to our channel.